Today we're tackling a common problem that many users encounter when working with gnu-parallel. The issue at hand is how to run multiple commands that all read from stdin. Now this might seem like a simple task, but sometimes things don't go as planned, right? But fear not. The solution to this conundrum is actually quite straightforward. By using the T option in gnu-parallel, we can pipe all the data to all the jobs. So, all we need to do is execute the following command. Echo hello world parallel keep order tag string part equals underscore uc underscore pipe tcat ab. This will ensure that each command receives the input it needs to produce the desired output. Let's delve deeper into the solution we just discussed. By running the specified command, we are able to achieve the expected results seamlessly. The tag string option allows us to format the output, while the pipe option lets us specify the command to be executed. Finally, the T option ensures that the input is distributed to all commands, resulting in the desired output of part A, hello world, and part B, hello world. See? Problem solved. In summary, we've successfully tackled the problem of running multiple commands in gnu-parallel that all read from stdin. By utilizing the T option along with the appropriate parameters, we were able to achieve the expected output effortlessly. So, next time you find yourself in a similar predicament, remember this nifty solution, and you'll be good to go. Alright, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Stay geeky, my friends.